How you going? Today is unboxing day of the new Remington Rapid Cut. Do it yourself, shave your head or a trimmer, whatever you like to call it. This is the latest one that Remington has just brought out for 2018. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty compact. So what do we got specs here? So it's got a lithium battery in it. Obviously it's rechargeable, 40-minute cordless runtime. Looks like you can run a cord with it as well. Shower-proof, washable, so she looks pretty waterproof. Removable blades. 9 guide combinations for your extension on your comb. Stainless steel. It's got a curved blade, so it's actually pretty comfy on your head. Ergonomic Design. Should be those little raised rubber bits on there, so let's check it out. What we got in here? Okay, so that looks like the unit itself. Quite weighty, quite solid in the feel in the hand. So this is the Ergonomic Design, I suppose. You grab it however you like and trim away. On off button. There's your power supply button there. Looks like you flip this bit here up, possibly. Push that. This is new to me too, folks, so I'm suggesting you perhaps take this off to clean it. We'll have a look in the menu, I think. Don't want to damage it. So yeah, she comes pretty charged up. It's pretty normal. What have we got in here then? Instruction manual. Remington Rapid Hair Cut Clipper. So looking at the book of wisdom here, we're talking about an on-off switch, blade set point, which is that that's that little groove there, sets the blade in. There's actual blades there, storage pouch, oil bottle, blah blah blah. Oh, they're key parts. Okay. Trying to see what that. There's a little picture there showing a tap and another little arrow here. Let's see if I can quickly find out what that does. Suitable for cleaning under open water. Okay, so that's pretty good. Doesn't do anything else. So, little oil bottle, standard. So we've got a 2.5mm, 2mm, 3mm, 6mm, 1.5mm. Side, it's our charging adapter. Also goes in there. I believe you can run this powered, which is what I'll do now. So if it does happen to lose its charge in the battery, we can plug it in. So the light comes on, looks like it's under charge. Yes, okay, so that's not charged. And that's charged, so a bit more kick there. So I'd look at charging this battery up when you first get it, folks. So it looks like it's drained a bit. Okay, more combs. A 15mm, look at that big bad boy. 12mm, 4.5mm. Little comb, so just for cleaning out the teeth with. And lucky last, we have a 9mm. So if you're like me and you're running pretty short, you'd be going for the 1.5mm, which is this one right here. So slides in by the look down the end here and clips into that little hole there. Simple clip in. Feels quite smooth to the touch. Try it on my head a bit later. I'll let you know how that goes. And once you're all done, grab your Remington little carry pouch, chuck them in. I suppose it'll fit the charger as well. It'd be pretty silly if it didn't. Let's see if we can wind that up. Does the charger fit in there too? A bit of a manipulation. Sure does. You've probably got room for one of your combs, maybe two, but that's probably about it. Certainly haven't got room for all of them. It's probably more so a carry pouch just for the actual Remington itself, I would suggest. So I've got a comb on there. And there you have it. Seems like a pretty decent little unit. I shall give it a full charge. See how it performs. See how comfy it is on the scalp. See how easy it is to do yourself, because that's the idea with this. It's do it yourself rather than relying on someone else to do it for you. No worries folks, so there you go. There's the Remington, a rapid cut hair clipper. You got something from this video. As I said, I'll give it a quick shave on the head and see how she cuts, see how it feels, but it feels pretty smooth, easy to hold and easy to cut your hair off by yourself. A little compact portable unit, looks pretty good. I'll leave a link down below to the actual unit should you guys want to have a look. There you go, short, sharp and shiny. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and have a good day. Happy New Year. Bye for now.